Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Once again, that's Spicy C. Here today, I'd love to share you another exciting video that I purchased, and I really love the clothing that I have this time. I love my collections, what I do day in and day out. Once again, welcome one you all, and thank you once again for subscribing to my channel and posting your opinions on my channel. I do wait for you guys to post in your comments so that I can answer you all your queries. Okay, cutting short, I'll start with my video. This is a very beautiful trouser that I purchased from the stores, and this is just for rupees 150 that I purchased from the stores. I really love this trouser. This is a comfortable fitted trouser and it's a lycra kind of material. It is good. It has a good stretchy band. The reason I love this trouser because it has got a unique kind of key type of design here with a glittery diamonds on it that gives this trouser a good look. It also has pockets at the side. This is also good for my formal wear, yoga or any gymming activities, and it's very comfortable, guys. This size can go up to 6XL, so there is large, medium, small, and also there is double XL, triple XL, and up to 6XL sizes. This full length is a very stretchy material, but it's also stiff, not too stretchy. It will also keep your workouts very well. So you can also wear this like a sweatshirt kind of pant. And guys, trust me, this is a very comfortable pant that I purchased from the market just for rupees 150. That makes my daily life go great. So these are also available in colors like pink, maroon, black, and many variety of colors. This is my party wear skirt that I purchased, and I really love the pattern of this skirt. It has got a good kind of elasticity band. Okay, now it has a good lining inside. So the lining inside is a silky kind of material, polyester and silk kind of material that has a stretch fabric that makes the skirt so a good look, gives the skirt a good look. Now this has a two belt like in the front that you can add it like a bow to give the skirt a unique style. Look, and it's a short skirt, heel length kind of skirt. You can wear this for your party wear, formal wear, or even for your office wear. You can top this with your, crop top or short kurtis if you want to match it, or you can wear it on your office. Going to the next one. I love this cotton kind of top, that's why I purchased it. So this is a full sleeves kind of top, and it's a winter wear kind of top, cotton, and the brand name is Max, okay, that I purchased this top from. And it has a good glittery material in the front. I really love the print on it, and you can not only wear this for a small occasion, so you can match it with with your flare skirt. You can even match it with this skirt that I showed you just now. So you can wear this for your party or any kind of events. It's good for your office wear, that will make your look great. And I love the bottom side of this top. It has got a good like a sweater end like design that makes this top a beautiful one. Last but not the least, this is another very simple kurti I found in the market. So this is a long neck kurti but in a butterfly kind of pattern. So this is a total pure simple dress. It has a gathering in the front that gives this design a good look, and it has a butterfly kind of kaftan style we call it. So this is how it looks like. It has a very short lining inside. In case you want a longer lining, you need to wear something inside. You can either wear this like a dress, or you can wear it like a kurti below your leggings or your trousers. Now the leggings like black, grey, or the light greenish kind of color that would suit this kaftan top well. I really love the butterfly look on this, and this is very comfortable. You can keep your party simple by wearing this kurti. The back side is very simple, and I really love this awesome style. And this is a good kurti kind of dress that I purchased. The next one is a very simple kind of t-shirt. So this is a Lycra t-shirt that I purchased. I really love the blue, the aqua blue and the black color on it. It gives a good match on it. So it's a simple kind of t-shirt with a short sleeve. So this has no lining inside. It's Lycra material, thin Lycra material. It has got a round neckline. So you can wear this for a short picnic or an event to get together, or you can even make it like a party top, where you can wear this on your mini skirts or your knee length black skirt to give this top a good look. And I really love, guys, the pattern that I purchased this top for. Last but not the least, one last top to go. This is a simple black kind of kurti kind of dress that I purchased. The reason I love this dress because it has got a round neckline and it has a short zipper at the back. I love the zip design at the back of it. So this is size XL. Wow, this is a pure cotton kind of material. It's a light cotton kind of material and it has got long sleeves. I love the pleated sleeves at the bottom end. That makes this top a good look. And not only that, I love because it has a full length lining inside that gives this kurti kind of dress an awesome look. So I can pair this, I can match this kurti with a long length of grey leggings or trousers or white leggings to match it well for my party wear. Wow, I seriously love the good on it. The front look has got little gathers on it that makes this outfit a good one. Wow guys, I'm seriously loving this. Not only that guys, this beautiful dress that I'm wearing right now, this is a cottonish kind of dress. So like this is a beach kind of dress that I wore. I can even wear this dress for a party wear. So this is how it looks like. It has no lining inside, so you need to wear something in. And the back side is totally like a beach outlook that you can wear it. So this is a very beautiful top that I have. One more to go. This is a very short top that I purchased for my party wear, just to give my party outfit a good look. So this is a kurti kind of style. It has a cutted side, okay, and this is like a t-shirt inside. So this is just an open kind of design, a new party wear look, but I love the aqua color. It has got two buttons over here. These are unremovable buttons. So this is just an added design to the top. I love the print on it, and this is a very stretchable material with an aqua navy blue kind of design. So it has a fall of a pleated neckline here, long neckline, a fall of a long neckline that makes this top a beautiful one. Seriously guys, I'm really loving these tops. So these are the outfits that I love sharing with you today. I hope you guys love this video today, and I hope to see you next time. See you guys, take care. See you next time. Bye bye.